Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: how much Paysafe Card can you buy? But before we jump into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what Paysafe Card is. Paysafe Card is a prepaid card that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to stay safe online because you don't have to link your bank account to the card. You can also use it to make purchases anonymously. So, how much Paysafe Card can you buy? The answer to that question depends on a few factors, including your country, the retailer you're buying from, and the type of Paysafe Card you're buying. In general, the maximum amount of Paysafe Card you can buy is €1,000. However, there are some retailers that have lower limits. For example, some retailers only allow you to buy a maximum of €500 worth of Paysafe Card. Another thing to keep in mind is that the type of Paysafe Card you buy will also affect the maximum amount you can buy. There are two main types of Paysafe Cards: Classic Paysafe Cards and My Paysafe Card. Classic Paysafe Cards are the most common type of Paysafe Card. They're available in a variety of denominations, ranging from €10 to €1,000. You can buy classic Paysafe Cards at a variety of retailers, including gas stations, supermarkets, and convenience stores. My Paysafe Card is a more advanced type of Paysafe Card. It's available in a variety of denominations, ranging from €10 to €2,500. You can buy My Paysafe Card online or at select retailers. In addition to the maximum amount you can buy, there are also some other restrictions on how you can use Paysafe Cards. For example, you can't use a Paysafe Card to make purchases at gambling websites or adult websites. You also can't use a Paysafe Card to buy gift cards. So, how much Paysafe Card can you buy? The answer is, it depends. But in general, the maximum amount you can buy is €1,000. You can buy Paysafe Cards at a variety of retailers, including gas stations, supermarkets, and convenience stores. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Additional information. You can check the website of the retailer you're buying from to find out their specific limits on Paysafe Card purchases. You can also check the website of Paysafe to find out more about the different types of Paysafe Cards and their features.